Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a fast lens and a simple mask to start. First, cut a circle slightly smaller than your lens and then cut the shape from its center. This creates the aperture overlay. Attach the mask to the front of the lens and make sure it sits flat and centered. Set your camera to wide aperture, use aperture priority or manual, and select the lowest f number available. Once mounted, step back and choose a busy, distant background with point light sources. Now adjust framing and focus for the effect. You want a close subject with the background significantly farther away, so out-of-focus highlights become discs shaped by your mask. Switch to manual focus and slightly defocus until lights in the background become clear-shaped bokeh. Increase focal length if possible. Telephoto compresses distance and enlarges bokeh circles. Use lower ISO to keep highlights clean and keep shutter speed appropriate for exposure. Make small focus tweaks to refine shape sharpness. Finish by refining mask alignment and composition. If shapes look soft or distorted, recenter the mask and smooth any ragged edges. Rough cuts create halos. Once done, test a couple of apertures. Slightly stopping down can reduce edge distortion while preserving shape. If highlights are too faint, add or move light sources farther apart or increase their intensity. Make sure you review at 100% to confirm clean shapes. If things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.